Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you've been living life on the edge. We are here at Premier Complete Auto Care, I think is what their new name is called. It's run by Brock, great guy. Anything performance-wise, he's got you hooked up, and that is what we're doing here today. Today, we are throwing on some absolute meat of a tire for the GT500. Now, I've been running on the stock PS4 since I've had this car, and they've honestly held up super well. They've got 10,000 miles on them all the way around and have still about 60 to 75% tread left.
That was a lie.
And they've done good. But now that we're pushing 840 to the wheel, I figured it was time to throw on some real tire for this car. And also, now that we have the GT4, I really want to go all out with this car. So we're talking lowering springs, bigger throttle body, bigger injectors, everything. But it all starts with the tire. So, like I said, we're still running on the stock PS4 tire, which is a 315. It's a pretty good sized tire. It's not too bad, but there's a better tire. Let me show you what we got. All right, so old tire, new tire. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. It's a big difference. The size does matter, I promise you guys.
What do you mean by that?
Whew. Well, indeed, bigger is better. Oh my gosh. So we have a almost perfectly flush fitment on the stock wheel. It's a little shady right now, but it looks absolutely perfect. And you can see with the PS4s in the front that they definitely tuck a little inside. But man, on that rear, that is like a flush finish. Whew, that looks good. And then if we look down under here, oh,
Nice.
Now that's a lot of meat. All right, we are out here at UMC. We've got some really fast cars today. We're on 91 today, so we're 840 to the wheel. We do have the R888Rs, which we haven't had before. We've got CT4 Blackwing. We have a Demon 170 back there. I do know that this blue Mach 1 is 945 wheel, fully boosted. We've got Konner over here, all stock though, very boring, you know. It's okay, he's baseline, right? You're going for baseline.
Yes,
okay.
Baseline, stock.
Trying to see what else is here. I know we've got a Supra on slicks, we got some Evos, we've got a few GT350s actually as well. We've got a GT with a massive intercooler, some big tires in the front and the back as well. So there are a lot of really fast cars here. I'm gonna throw this camera inside for the cockpit view. We'll have the 360 on the back. Let's get to racing. Quick interruption to the video, I apologize. So Dum Dum McGee here did not follow instructions properly when it came to recording audio for these next few clips. So like I was saying, I had an audio on the inside with me and then one on the license plate frame in the back, hoping that I could record myself as well as the exhaust and then separate the audio channels and be able to individually adjust the level of audio for the exhaust and for me talking so you could hear both and it would sound amazing and great. However, what I forgot to do with the transmitter for these microphones is set it up as a stereo or mono, I can't remember, but basically I forgot to separate them as two individual tracks. So while in the settings when I pull the video into my editing software, it does give me two individual tracks. It combined both audios into one audio. So while I do have two tracks, they're the exact same audio, the exact same level. So I really can't do a whole lot of adjusting. So the warning is in the very beginning of the video before we roll off for the roll race, you'll hear me talking, saying what kind of car it is, the horsepower that it is. After that, as soon as I get the vehicle going, the exhaust overpowers my voice. So you will not be able to hear me say anything once we get rolling with the race. So just a heads up, I'm really sorry. I'll make sure to get it right the next time. Just wanted to give you a warning on it. All right, so first car, we're going up against a manual Mach 1 Whipple, and he's doing about 850 wheel horsepower supposedly on 91. Here we go. So we're going against a 2,000 wheel horsepower truck. This thing is gonna curb stomp me, but hey, we'll see what we can do. He's gonna give me the lead for right reasons. Yeah, I don't have plans on winning this one, but hey, it'll be fun to watch me get stomped. We're gonna try first gear, but I don't think it's gonna make a big difference, honestly. All right. So we have what I believe is a Mitsubishi Lancer. He said he's 600 wheel, roughly, is what he's saying.
Hi folks, we're back. By the way, my YouTube channel is Konns Vlogs. That's Konns space Vlogs, VLOGS. Go give me a subscribe. I've had some cool videos. Appreciate the plug, Jake. But anyways, we're back and we're in Jake's car still. We're racing a Demon 170. This one will be a little bit better than the Plaid, hopefully. I definitely think that car's a little bit faster, but it is also a Demon 170, so I would hope it is faster.
All right, we've got a Toyota Mitsubishi truck. I have no idea. He has no idea what he's pushing. He said, all I know is it goes fast, and I like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna lead from second this time and see if I like it better than first. First is awesome because you get a massive jump because of the torque, but then, like I said, you're shifting so soon that you like gain distance, lose distance at the same time. So So we're going up against a supposedly stock Viper, but I have a hard time believing a stock Viper comes to roll racing, but he claims he's stock, so we'll see. We'll find out quick enough. Okay, very last run of the day, 750 wheel horsepower GT350 twin turbo Helion kit. We're gonna try second this time and see how it goes. Inlet temps are a little bit high, so I probably am not running my full 840. I'm at 134 for my inlet, so running a little hot, so we'll see how it goes. Nonetheless, it'll be good fun. The last race of the day and I screw it up. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? But I mean, I was right with him. If I wouldn't have misshifted, I know for a fact I would have won that. Gosh dang it, the last race of the day, and I I misshipped. Ah! Well, not misshipped, I short shifted. Gosh dang it, dude. I wasn't even like, I was at 4,000 RPMs and shifted immediately into third as soon as I punched it. Wow. Talk about a rookie mistake. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up the video today. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting. I truly appreciate it. I do this because of all of you. We had so much fun with the GT500 out at UMC, and this thing is such a beast and performs so well. Run after run after run after run, and after roll racing, I went and visited a friend and then drove back home. It's just so reliable and such an easy car to drive and have so much fun with. And when you want to go all out, you can, and you don't really have to worry about this car. Now, I will say I didn't appreciate losing as much as I did, but it's okay. I had so much fun losing as well, especially losing to some of those crazy fast cars. But because I did lose, it has given me inspiration to boost this car even more. Now, we actually haven't done all that much to the GT500. Right now, as it sits, we have resonator delete, tires, 265 pulley, bigger intake, stock throttle body, stock fuel injectors, pretty much stock everything, and a tune. That's it. That's literally it, and this car is already 840 to the wheel on 91. I mean, they're crazy how little they need to be fast. So I haven't run E85 on this, and Brockett Premier, who did the tune and everything as well as my wheels, shout out to him and his shop, he was saying if I run E85, I should get 80 to 100 wheel extra horsepower. So I think we start there, and then I think we start going extreme with this car. New lid, bigger throttle body, whole fuel rail, and yeah, we'll just kind of see where it goes. But once again, thank you all so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with a friend if you think they would enjoy the content. We also just got the GT4 back. It's outside, the bikes are in the way, so it's outside right now. And with the new headers, it sounds absolutely amazing. So stay tuned for that video. That video should be posted very, very soon. Thank you all so much once again. Make sure to live life on the edge. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.